The first time you push that throttle up and see a tiny machine hover perfectly still, something clicks. You realize that flying doesn't have to be a stressful battle against gravity or a constant struggle with complex sensors. This compact flyer is built for those moments where you just want to get in the air without reading a manual the size of a novel. It feels steady, almost surprisingly so for its class. The way it handles your inputs is predictable and smooth. And that is exactly what a new pilot needs to feel comfortable. You aren't constantly fighting to keep it level or worrying about a sudden, unexpected flip. Instead, you can focus on the horizon and the path ahead. The controls are stripped down to the essentials, giving you sticks that feel intuitive and responsive. It includes features like altitude hold, which basically acts like an invisible hand keeping the drone at a set height. This leaves you free to play with the camera without worrying about crashing into the dirt. In the bright light of a clear afternoon, the footage is crisp and full of life. You get those vibrant colors and enough detail to really capture a weekend at the park. It is perfect for a quick social media post or a family memory to look back on. Just keep in mind that this isn't a professional film rig designed for the big screen. When the light starts to fade, the sensor reaches its limit. Things get a bit grainy and lose that sharp edge. But for a casual afternoon, it does the job beautifully. The build quality is another highlight that stands out. It feels solid in your hand, not like a fragile toy that might shatter if it grazes a tree branch or a fence post. It can take those inevitable beginner bumps and keep on going, which really helps build your confidence as you learn the ropes. You start taking more risks, flying a bit further, knowing the drone can handle a rough landing or two. The battery gives you enough time for a few energetic sessions, though you will find yourself heading back to the charger sooner than you might like. It is a trade-off for such a portable and lightweight design. You have to make every minute count. Pick a day with very little wind for the best experience. This little machine is light, and a strong breeze will toss it around if you aren't careful. Find a wide, open space where you can really see what it can do without obstacles. Getting it ready to fly is fast and painless. You won't spend forever messing with a complicated app or doing endless calibrations that lead nowhere. It feels like a fun gadget rather than a technical chore. Before you head out, make sure your batteries are fully topped off, both for the drone and the controller. You want that full power for maximum stability and range. Always turn your remote on first. Then the drone. Watch for those status lights to turn solid and steady. Place it on a flat, level surface. This is crucial for the internal sensors to find their balance before takeoff. Give the left stick a gentle push upward. Watch it rise and just let it hover for a second. Get a feel for how the air is moving. Use the right stick for your directions. Forward, back, side to side. Keep your movements tiny and soft. If you jerk the sticks, the drone will jump, and you want to keep it graceful for the best footage. Use the live view on your screen to frame your shots, then bring it back home when you're done. Slide that left stick down slowly. Let it settle onto the grass, then cut the power. It is simple, it is effective, and it makes the sky feel accessible to everyone who just wants to fly.